The Metaverse might be the next big real estate investment. Planning on investing your money but you don't have any idea where you should invest? Well, where should you invest your money? There are many different ways to invest your money, but some investors discuss a new way of investments that might pique your interest. Welcome future business leaders, CEOs, and aspirants. This is Investing Insight, where we help you learn ways to achieve financial success and achieve personal growth. Before anything else, please like and subscribe to this video and click that little notification bell so you can be updated when a new video comes out. Without further ado, let's proceed with the video. When we think of investments, we would usually think of the real estate market. But did you know that the latest big real estate market can't be found on any scenic coastlines or in major cities? You heard that right, it's not on this physical earth, but it can be found on the Metaverse. But what exactly is the Metaverse? In reality, the term Metaverse has a broad definition. Technology that makes up the Metaverse can include virtual reality, virtual worlds that continue to exist whether you do or don't play a specific game. But it can also be a digital economy where users create, buy, and sell their goods. Andrew Kegel, CEO and co-founder of Tokens.com, an investment firm specializing in cryptocurrency and metaverse real estate acquisitions, describe investing in the metaverse as like buying land in New York 250 years ago. He also compared investing property in the metaverse to a game of Monopoly where you have several areas of land that you want to try and acquire all the areas of land that you want on the board. In actuality, real estate in the metaverse is similar to property in the real world. But the idea of investing digital property in the metaverse is that once you own it, you can make money by developing said property and leasing it out. However, digital real estate is still considered a risky investment. The metaverse is a constantly evolving space that contains many different digital worlds where its users can interact with one another. These spaces usually appear cartoon-like, while others feel like digital recreations of our physical world. There are platforms where investors can sell or buy real estate with cryptocurrency. Those platforms have a limited number of parcels that are available for purchase, which can be tracked with blockchain technology. A firm stated that they paid $4.3 million in the world of Sandbox, the largest digital property sale publicized to date in November. Why is it so expensive? Well, each metaverse platform declares exactly how many parcels there will be, so it would let them cannibalize their holdings value. That tenet of scarcity is what makes the category valuable. In the physical world, a lot of factors are to be considered when buying digital land. One factor is its location. Busier areas that create more visitor traffic would be more valuable than suburban areas. Let's say that you purchase an area of land in the metaverse. Once you have that area, you can use different programming tools to create different things to create your own unique world. Different investors predict that people will spend on virtual developments since in the future, more people will join these online worlds and those properties will increase in value. Tokens.com stated that they paid $2.5 million for a space in the Centraland's Fashion District, a virtual world that launched in 2017. Their long-term vision when they acquired said space is that they want to turn what they owned into the Rodeo Drive or Fifth Avenue of the Metaverse and to be leading Metaverse landlord. Companies would even hire architects to design virtual homes, business buildings, and malls, and then let a game developer create them in the Metaverse. However, even in the Metaverse, there are limits in terms of zoning rules, but unlike the real world, infrastructures in the Metaverse can defy the laws of physics. After the game developers build your infrastructure, you hand it off to the 3D renderers and then to the 3D developers to make your space interactive. Republic Realm, a leader in Metaverse and NFT innovation and investment, created a virtual mall and leases spaces to retailers selling fashion for avatars. Aside from the mall, they own a planned community villas on private islands that they sell to individuals. These e-commerce environments are, in some ways, a 3D equivalent of a marketplace like Etsy and Amazon. There are many interesting things that you can do or create once you own an area in the metaverse. Another intriguing aspect is advertising and brand partnerships. Investors will expect that in some time, major brands would want a presence in these online worlds. Getting into the metaverse is not only an opportunity to build a company's brand, but it's also another way of letting their brand be known to a new market of consumers. But despite all of this, investing in virtual property is still a risky task and a highly speculative one at that. Unlike the real world, the value of virtual properties will have a good chance of plummeting if less users visit and the volatility of cryptocurrencies increases. In order to reduce those risks, investors end up buying land from different virtual worlds. For example, Republic Realm stated that they own more than 3,000 plots of digital land in over 20 different realms. Interest in the metaverse and its properties accelerated due to the increase of users since the start of the pandemic. It even got a bigger boost when Mark Zuckerberg announced Facebook's name change to Meta Platforms Incorporated, which in turn reflects the company's focus in creating online worlds in the metaverse. Meta invested $10 billion into the metaverse in 2021. So, Mark Zuckerberg and his company Meta is making a big bet on the metaverse. A digital currency investor, Grayscale, believes that there will be a $1 trillion market for services and goods in the metaverse in the near future. With that, a whole new generations of tech users would require 3D immersive experience, as this may be part of an ever-growing form of real estate. What are your thoughts on this? Is the metaverse the wave of the future? And do you think Mark Zuckerberg's bet of $10 billion will pay off? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. See you on the next one.